Dear students, welcomes you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Maharashtra Preparatory Bridge Code Test 2nd of class 5th of subject Environmental Studies 1 having mark 10 based on activity sheet number 9 to 14 and have time 30 minutes. So let's get started. The first question is for 2 marks. Correct and rewrite the following sentences. The first sentence is, our lungs control our physical activities. No, our brain control all our physical activities. The second statement given is, oxygen is used to manufacture fertilizers for crops. No, nitrogen is used to manufacture fertilizers for crops. The next question is, write 2 sources of natural fibers. Cotton, wool, jute, silk are the various sources of natural fibers. It has 1 mark. Question 1C is, name the following. It also has 2 marks. Intermediate direction between west and south, it is called southwest. Artificial fibers, nylon, rayon are the artificial fibers. Polystyrene, polyester is also a artificial fiber. Now the question number 2 is, why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them? It have 1 mark. We know that as we go higher, the air becomes thinner. So to avoid difficulty in breathing, mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them. Question 3 is, write the function of the following organs. It has 2 marks. Brain. You all know that brain controls movements, sense and emotions. Heart. The important function of heart is to keep blood circulated throughout the body. Now question number 4 is, what will be the home remedy if vomiting is caused due to indigestion? It has 1 mark. If indigestion occurs, then take a lemon juice or sharbat or ginger with salt. And the last question of this test is, the length of your school building is shown as 40 centimeters in a map. If the scale is taken as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, to draw a map, then what is the actual length of the school? It has 1 mark. Then the actual length of school is 40 meters. Here your test 2nd is finished. We will meet in the next test 3rd. Before that, please subscribe our channel and share the link of video to your friends or your classmates. If you have any queries regarding this test or any doubts regarding the test, please comment us in comment section. We will meet in the next video. Till be safe.